Alright everybody, so I'm done with 3 posts and I figured that I should actually show you how I'm making these notches. So I'm on to my 4th post. The 4th post will go right here. So what I'm trying to do is the post will sit right around this part, and also it will sit on this part. So it has a structural support from both of these joists, and obviously the notch part will be bolted here. But let's see how to get that notch here. So here's the post. I did was did some measurements here, and I made this line across the beam, and I have shaded this part here. So this is the part that you see, the cut part is with, this is the part that will sit on the joist from the front. So I have to shave this entire piece out all the way, and then this part will be shaved from this here. So I'm going to use the circular saw to shave it off. Now this is an important step because I have to make a notch. So I lifted this DeWalt. It has a very nice feature to lift this up, and I made sure that this blade aligns with the line that is my measurement for the notch. So this way, when I run the circular saw right flat on the post, it shouldn't go deeper than the notch that I want. So now that I'm done with that notch that I needed, now this part entire thing can shave off. So now I can extend my circular saw back to its normal position, so it can make the maximum longest cut that I need. So it will probably need 2 passes, one from the top and one from the bottom, when I flip the post, and that way this should entire block should come out, and also this block should shave off from that point. So let's get there. So at this point, all the cuts are made from the 4 sides. I'm just going to use the hammer and the chisel to get these pieces out. Okay, so that was an easy push out, and what a clean cut that is. So let's get the second piece also out. Okay, so at this point, I want to ask you guys, can I call this a sexy notch? I'm pretty pleased with it, actually. So, see? So this will sit right on the post, the joist I showed you earlier. So pretty happy with this. What do you think?